lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Creations, and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'll be making pink resin coasters using craft resin. And this resin was kindly sent to me from Craft Resin to test it out. And pink, I'm using this beautiful cookie and cream pigment from Just For You Online UK, and also I'll be adding gold leaf center. So first things first, I will measure my resin, and it is 1:1 ratio, and I prefer to do it by weight. I always have, so I don't need to look at the markings on the cup and hope that I measure the same equally. So just do it by weight, and you can't go wrong with that. And after that, mix for 3 minutes really carefully. And try to scrape bottom as well, as it needs to be mixed up all properly. So I sped up this process quite a bit. And the next step is to divide resin and add pigments. So I like to add to my gold leaf resin straight away in a cup, and then I can just add it in the coaster mold afterwards. So this is a new pigment that I trying out. It's how I mentioned, from Just For You Online UK, and as you can see, it's really pale pink, but I absolutely love it and can't wait to use it in another project as well. I describe it as it has kind of milky whiteness texture with it, so the resin will not be bright color, but also will still have bit transparency in it. So I decided to go with simple design, just pink around the edge, followed by transparent and gold leaf in the center. And after I had done that, I looked at the coasters and thought that I like this pink so much that I mix a bit more and add some swirls. So I let them to cure, and this is 24 hours later, and it's time to demold them. And look at that, how pretty they look. This gentle pink is so beautiful, and I absolutely love it. And the next one, gorgeous as well. And they still have a little bit of transparency. So I will add gold edge and give them a top coat, and then I will show you the final result. And here it is, all finished, and look at that, how pretty are they? So I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying bye bye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.